I'm here.
You're here. Thank you so much. And
no, that's fine.
Putting ourselves outside a comfort zone over and over again, isn't it?
I'm used to it now.
Yeah, I know. So, Chrissy, do you want to share a little bit about your journey? We'd love for you to share.
Probably a lot of people don't know, but we're a mother and daughter team. So my daughter introduced me back in September, and I knew nothing about social media, or I was on Facebook, but that was it. And I'm a 72-year-old grandmother, was looking for something to do, sort of, and so I found this business. We ran with it. We sit and done training every day. We did training. We followed all your Diamond Blueprint training, and then I got onto chat, and chat said consistency, go and do Facebook, TikTok groups. So for every day for 8 weeks at 7:20 and 5 in the morning, I would get up, do my posts, and then post them at intervals all through the day, every day for 8 weeks. And I was like, by 8 weeks, I was like, what am I doing? It was just before Christmas, and I'm like, nothing's happening, but I'm going to keep going. And now, 7 months down the track, my business has just taken off in this last couple of weeks. It's been so exciting. So that consistency, I was at my wit's end. I mean, what am I doing? I'm just posting, and there's all this. It wasn't even about the business at start. It was just about nothing. And then it just gradually built and built and built until now. This week is just, it's just crazy. And I'm just loving it. Yeah,
I love it so much. It shows you can start and succeed at this at any time, no matter your experience, background, or your journey. And this is the real deal. And you know that if you stay committed to this, it will take off. Like you will hit that point of no return where things just continue to accelerate and grow. And I love hearing from you, Chrissy. And
the other thing I want to tell you too is this afternoon we have a one-on-one call.
Yes, we do. That's right. That's why I've got to keep track of time. I'm like, that's right.
Yes, I'm so excited.